They might say the dye is like really safe, but these are the gloves. The thumb fell off of one of them, look. Hello, what's up? As you probably may know, not too long ago, maybe like a week or something, I cut my own hair with the aid of Ricky in order to get rid of the horrible bleached ends that I had, because about a year ago now I bleached and dyed my hair pink. However, unfortunately, I had to go get a job, and most jobs won't employ you if you have pink hair. However, and this is the fun part, I now live in a van, which means right now I'm traveling and I don't have a job to go to, which means I don't have to have brown hair, which means I can have pink hair. So that's what we're gonna do today in this empty van that I just happen to have lying around. Pink to some of you might be a controversial crazy girl hair colour, but here's the thing, I don't care. I like the colour pink. I am a girl. I want pink hair, so we are going to have pink hair. You can yell about it suiting me or not suiting me. I don't care. I have the passion for the aesthetic of pink hair, and I'm not really bothered if it suits me. But it will, because it's fun and pink, and I am fun and pink. So what you're going to want to do is just find an old t-shirt that you happen to have. Everyone has one. Maybe steal someone else's. You know, don't worry about it. Just one you personally don't care about. Next, we're gonna get it jelly. You use Vaseline to protect your hairline from any staining or bleaching or discoloration that you might get from spilling the bleach, because obviously I am in no way, shape or form a professional, neither is Ricky. So to protect the rest of the skin that isn't directly under my hair, we're gonna need to oh, this is a fresh jar. Look at how fresh that is. Fresh jar of Vaseline. I'm excited, I've never had a fresh jar.
You've only had hand-me-downs of Vaseline.
Yeah, I've only had Vaseline hand-me-downs, so. Now you've Vaselined and parted your hair, bleach it. Bleach powder, cream peroxide, instructions, gloves, directions. Please follow these directions for use carefully. And now we're just gonna mix this all together until it looks alright.
So do I put it on your hair with that little brush?
Yeah, basically what you do is getting a strand, you take that, and then working from like the middle down, you want to do the roots last because it's close to the head of the bleach is fastest. So you'll go back round and do the roots, so you'll leave a little bit.
I have to go back.
Okay, so it is now the next day. I washed out the bleach and this is what I'm left with. The ends are a little bit damaged, I don't know if you can tell, but overall I'm pretty damage free, which I was really worried about with the amount of time it took to actually bleach my whole head. I was worried like this half would fall out. But no, everything's okay. Yeah, you can tell it's not like blonde because it's like orange and brassy, because those are the undertones of my naturally brown hair. So this is what comes out, and I could make the choice to continue lightening it or tone it if I wanted it to actually be like a blonde colour, but that's not what I'm looking for. I don't want blonde, I'm bleaching my hair pink. And these yellow, orange, brassy tones under a pink dye don't really matter. Now we are going to get to dyeing it pink. I'm using Arctic Fox because they're cruelty free and vegan, which is always what you want to be looking for in your products. And we're going to go with two colours. We're going to go with the colour Wrath, and we're going to go with Electric Paradise. coloured it, and this is now it washed out, so it's still quite wet. I will see you at the end of this video to show you how it fully looks when it's dried, maybe styled a little bit. Maybe I'll put on a little bit of makeup for you. You gotta be really special for me to put on makeup, so. So this is the final look. This is what my hair looks. This is what my hair looks like when it's dry. It's still quite like a deep pink, almost red, but as it fades, it will get even lighter, which is nice. So if you enjoyed or think I'm pretty, if you think this hair colour suits me, make sure to like, comment and subscribe.